Zepto is giving two free gifts. One is a free Cadbury celebration box and another you have got Christmas gift box. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. First gifts we'll see. You go to Zepto app, you'll see the banner in this way as free Cadbury celebrations box on orders above $3.99. You can click on that and order. And please note, this free Cadbury celebration box will be added in the cart while you are placing the order. So do check out. Next we'll see how to get this free Christmas gift box from Zepto. Go to Zepto app and you can check out the offers that are available right now at 60% off. And you can add to the cart the items you want as shown on the right side of the screen. And on the left side you see the Christmas gift box items. You've got 5 items. Okay, coming back to how to get free Christmas gift from Zepto. Add the items to the cart. Go to view cart. Click on that. And you see here the Christmas box has not been added. It says you have to shop for 171 to unlock a free gift. You can add 171. For me it is 171. But for others it may be less than that. So it differs from person to person. Now I have added 171 worth items to my cart. Then this gift box is unlocked. You see it has been added to the cart. Now you can apply any of the coupons. I've got here 12 coupons. These are payment offers. There's a good payment offer available on cred. You can pay via cred. Then after you choose the coupon, you click on continue to payment and place the order. That's it, done. Your order is placed and you can enjoy free Christmas gift box from Zepto. So there's no minimum order. If you want free gift from Zepto, just follow the process which I have said earlier. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.